Blister's gonna be mad at me for giving you this back.
Got a nice package yesterday. A very lengthy. This is going right in a fracking burn barrel. Volvos sure do burn well. Must be all that plastic. Well, happy Manic Monday, boys and girls. Yeah, I had to rewash this thing. Nah. Check out this cool picture some little boy drew for me down in Louisville. I don't remember his name, but thanks, buddy. Had to get a new security light for the one in the peak of the shop. Took a shit. Yeah, that bitch quit working a couple months ago. Got water in it. Pretty handy when your neighbor has a bucket truck. How about it? Any help up there? I'm good. You're good? That's good. I'm kind of busy in here fixing the beacon's mess. I'll be damned. It actually works. How about it?
Blister's gonna be mad at me for giving you this back because you'll probably put it on the shelf somewhere.
Well, you're damn right we will. Well, there goes the bucket truck. Shaggy's taking a piss on this video. Got a nice package yesterday from Dean Turpening, Rudolph, Ohio. Dean sent me a nice mobile cooler. And dog beers have only had one. Oh, that's right. I like that. Make America shift again. In his very own smoke wagon. Shot glass, that's his handle. A little bourbon. And 3 packets of toothpicks. Well, I hope those are fracking bullhorn toothpicks. And he sent me a very lengthy, 2-sided love note. Dean, what have we learned from this? Dean says, Tabernac, I didn't want to be the only one not sending you cool shit. Blah, 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 blah. I have truck parking in my house. My wife makes a mean fillet. Thanks, brother. Next up, I got a package from my buddy Bill. He's Mr. Tula Toilet on TikTok, way up in Ironwood, Michigan. That's way up in the middle of nowhere. Now, Bill also sent me a love letter. This is not a love letter. Yeah, okay, Bill. Printed out in large font for your old eyes. Well, I appreciate that. I noticed that you didn't have any potties for your Tupperware torpedoes. So he sent me a toy truck with potties on it. I also noticed you didn't have a new Volvo calendar, so I grabbed one at the Volvo dealer when I was paying for parts. No thanks needed. Included is a variety of stickers from Poor Pumper Society. Lester says hi. That's his dog, Lester. Hi, Lester. And thanks, Bill. Bill, what are you thinking, Bill? Oh, Tabernac. Bill. Damn you, Bill. I don't want none of you sons of bitches to tell Bill. This is going right in a fracking burn barrel. Those Volvos sure do burn well. Must be all that plastic. That's all I got for Manic Monday. I gotta go trucking. I'll see you sons of bitches later.